Good morning. So in the last class we will discuss regarding the garment export zone, and under this topic we cover Jaipur as a garment manufacturing zone. Now today we will discuss regarding the Bangalore, because after Delhi or Mumbai, the Bangalore is the best place for the garment manufacturing. So today we will discuss regarding the Bangalore as a garment zone. In short, I can say that if you see the total export share from Bangalore, it is approximate 7%. Means if we are exporting 100 rupees export from India, then the 7 rupees going from Jaipur, Bangalore only. So the export share from Bangalore is 7%. Now if you see the future of the Bangalore manufacturing zone, Bangalore is a very good place for the garment manufacturing. And before starting this session, I tell you, for the new students who are starting their career in the fashion, production, quality, they can start their career from Bangalore, because Bangalore is the only place where known or very good brand like Ellen Shawley, Peter England, Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, those are the manufacturing their brand in Bangalore only. So as a feature, if you see, number one, Bangalore is famous for woven and knitted both garment. Actually, in Bangalore, hosiery and woven both garments are going to manufacture. If you see the items or type of the garments in Bangalore, shirt, trousers, skirt, jackets, waistcoat, these are the main items who is going to manufacture in Bangalore. If you see the production system, after Mumbai, Bangalore is the only place where the mostly industries are using the chain system or assembly line. So in Bangalore, the production system is going to use mostly assembly line or batch, because assembly line system is the only system by which you can create a nice or the good quality of the garment. If you see the Bangalore zone, here the ladies operators are more. Here you can see the ladies operators, those are highly skilled, and that time to time the industry is going to provide a training to enhance the skill of ladies operators. So if you see a Bangalore garment industry, majority of the sewing operators are ladies only. Wages are very nice. After the Mumbai, you can see that the Bangalore industries are going to provide the highest salary or the salary as per the minimum wages. Regarding the compliance, the Bangalore industries are using the all compliances. So once you are entering into the Bangalore garment industry, you see the all compliances whatever required for the garment industry. In a Bangalore industry, mostly machinery are advanced machinery. They are using the imported machineries, and mostly industries are manufacturing based. They are not fabricating. So overall, the total work from cutting to stitching to packing, all are going to work inside of the campus only. So the manufacturing part is complete. After that, if you see the quality is very nice, because highly skilled workforce is going to use, highly advanced machineries are going to use. And as an example, I can say that in Bangalore only, just like a new terminology nowadays using in the industry, that is called a lean management. How to reduce the wastage of the company, i.e. industrial engineering, SAM, standard allowance minutes, PPM, pre-production meeting. These all concepts are going to use in the Bangalore industry very well, or in a good scale. Mostly a good brands like to place an order in Bangalore only, just like I earlier said to regarding the Ellen Shawley, Peter England, Louis Phillips. So these all big brands manufacturing in Bangalore only. And in the short, I can say that for the new students, Bangalore is a very nice place to start their career, because the students can see a lot of new techniques, a lot of new working environments, because in the Bangalore, the industries are working on a proper formats. So you can see the standard SOP, you can see the actual working environment in Bangalore only. Thank you.